आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, so question is given that prove that nc1 nc2 square and then nc3 cube and c to the power n, like this it is going up to n is less than equals to 2 to the power n divided n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 c2, where this n is belongs to natural number. So first of all, this is like the multiplication of nc1 nc2 square nc3 like this. So we can prove this with the help of am is greater than equals to of gm. Why? Because this is like a geometric progression and this is a arithmetic progression. So consider a series, consider the series. So you can consider series nc1, then 2nc2, then 3nc3, then 4nc4, like this. This is a series n into nc of n. Now first of all, you have to find out the am. So the summation of these series is nc1 plus 2nc2 plus 3nc3 plus 4nc4, like this. It will go up to n into ncn. And the general term of this series is what? The general term of this series is, you can conclude from here that r into nc of r, isn't it? Okay, so this is the general terms, and we know if that general terms of this is r into ncr, and from binomial expression we know that r into ncr is equals to n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. This is the formula, or this is the property. So at the place of this I can write n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, now I have to find out the summation of this series. So means summation of r equals to 1 to n t of r. At the place of t of r I can write r equals to 1 to n. This can I can write this one. So I can write n into n minus 1 c r minus 1, isn't it? Now you know this summation will applicable only n minus 1 c r minus 1, because n is not r is not included into the n, so n I can take outside of this. So summation of r equals to 1 to n minus 1 c r minus 1. So n into, it is like n minus 1 c 0, n minus 1 c 1 plus n minus 1 c 2 plus n, like this. So directly answer will be 2 to the power n minus 1 of 1. Now I can apply over general formula am is greater than equals to of g of m. So what will be the am? Summation of this series divided by numbers of terms. So nc1 plus 2nc2 plus 3nc3 plus, like this, it will go n into ncn divided by, this is like summation of natural number. nc1 is coming 1 time, nc2 is coming 2 times, plus nc3 is coming 3 times. So 1 plus n, 2 plus 3 plus 3. So numbers of term will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2, because natural numbers of terms will be summation of n natural number will be greater than g of m. So g of m in nc1 into nc2 to the power 2, nc3 to the power 3, like this. It will go ncn to the power n whole power 1 divided by numbers of term will be how many? N into n plus 1 divided by of 2. Now what can I do? I can write at the place of these things, because we have find out already the summation of these, how many we are getting, n into 2 to the power n. So I can write n into 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by this one, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole power, because I can send this power into this side. So it will come and it will look like n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is greater than equals to nc1 nc2 square nc3 cube, like this. It will go nc n to the power n. Now n2 will get n cancel and 2 to the power n divided by 2, 2 to the power n divided by 2 divided by n in n plus 1 divided by 2 to the power n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is greater than equals to nc1, nc2, nc3 like ncn to the power n3 2. It is like this. So 2 will get cancel out, so it will become 2 to the power n divided by n plus 1, and at the place of this I can add n plus 1c. Okay, and why? Because if you will solve n plus 1c of n, you will get same these things. So nc1, nc2 square, nc3 to the power 3 like this, ncn to the power n. Hence, so this is our answer. We had to prove this one. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।